whatever we have learned yesterday. So I'll just create one material. By using that material number, we'll see the tables. Okay, the Mara, Mark, and the MARD. You have written the day, right? I'll just show you by creating one material how can we search the plant details, storage location details, and all things. Okay, first I'll do that. Then I'll show you the how to flag for the deletion for the material, and we'll extend the material. Then we'll go for the configuration part. Okay, let me share my screen now. You can visible my screen, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Can anyone tell how to create the material? Just 1 second. Yes, tell me.
MM0.
Okay.
Industry sector.
Industry sector, anything randomly you can take. Material type also. That are which practice I take. Just enter basic data 1 purchasing. I'll add on storage location also.
I have one doubt.
Yeah.
In the select views, what are the different kinds of the selections? What is basic data 1 includes basic data 2 and classification? Why
Yes.
should we select the basic data 1?
See, for the raw material thing, I'll just give you the one example. Okay, here material type we have selected ROH material. ROH in the sense raw material we are going to procure. For the raw material things, you have to select basic data 1, purchasing, and storage location and accounting. The reason is, yeah, you have to mention all the details in the basic data. Okay, and then purchasing. We are purchasing the material from the outsource, right? From the vendor.
Yes.
You need to mention the plant names here. From for which plant you are going to procure the material. And when it comes to the storage, for which storage location you are going to procure the material. And then accounting, like evaluation class and all I've shown you yesterday, right? That we are going to discuss in the upcoming classes. And the moving average price and the standard price, that and all we have to maintain in the accounting one. Okay. For that reason, I have selected this 4. This is one example for the raw material. Suppose if I want to procure the finished material, why finished material is useful? Tell me. Once we get the finished material, we are using that material for the sales purpose, right?
Yes.
That time what we have to do is, here we will be having one more view, that is a sales organization. As of now it's not available. We can configure these things. Okay, like once we configure these things, you have to select the sales organization also. The reason behind that is you are doing the sales for that particular finished materials. For the raw materials, there is not required sales organization and all. That is the second example. Okay, and third example I'll give you. Suppose like in the upcoming classes you will be learning more integration part. Okay, for example, one business process is there where the integration with the PP module will come into picture. That time what we have to do is MRP1, MRP2, MRP3, we need to select that one. By that for that particular process we are using these views. Okay, this is completely based on the business requirement, like how the based on the material type, like which material we are going to procure. Based on that we have to select the views here. Okay, for the raw material, the standard is you can select basic data 1, basic data 2, purchasing, storage, and accounting. This is these views are sufficient for the raw materials. But when it comes to finished products, you have to select the sales organization also for the finished products or semi-finished products. Suppose if you are going with the other business process, like as I told, with the PP integration. Okay, that is the MRP topic is there. That time we have to select these views. Okay, it's completely depends based on the different material types and the business process. That time you have to select the views according to that.
Okay.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am. And
Yeah.
basic data 1 and difference between basic data 1 and 2, ma'am. Is there any?
No, there's not much
criteria?
data. Basic data we are maintaining at the client level. Whatever we are maintaining at the client level, right? So it will be at the client level. But only we need, what we have to do is, if you wanted to extend the material and all, we can extend that by using purchasing and all. And also I have shown you one thing yesterday. Wait. You can see this, right? Material master can be created at client level, plant level, storage level, and storage organization level.
Yes.
Yeah, see, basic data we are doing at the client level. Whatever basic data we are maintaining at the client level, it will be same for all the materials. Okay. And when it comes to plant level, we have to maintain the purchasing data and accounting data, like from which purchasing organization we are going to procure the material, from which valuation class we are going to do the accounting data, and all we are maintaining at the plant level. Okay. This and all in detail you will be learning with the upcoming classes. As I yesterday already mentioned, automatic account determination chapter is there, where you will be learning valuation class and general ledger account and all, so that you will be getting the connectivity. But as of now, just for the raw material, only this views are you can select. Okay, no need to select all the views here. Understood, Srinivas?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And when it comes to finished products, you have to select the sales organization. As of now, just we will do raw materials. Okay. So I selected basic data 1, I will show you basic data 2 also. Just I'll select this one. There is not much difference here. I'll show you that also. I selected basic data 1, basic data 2, purchasing, plan data, and then accounting data. We'll create one material now. Okay. Then continue. Under which plant we are going to procure the material. Like we have created our plant, right? HHCB. We'll take our plant only. And then storage location, we have created HSL1. Okay, for the raw material. Mention the plant and the storage location. Just give continue. See, just give something. Test practice. Base unit of measure, anything randomly you can take as of now. Material group also you can take randomly. Then enter. Basic data 2. Srinivas, you can observe here. There's not much difference here. Okay. See other data, and if it's required, you can mention here, but it's not required actually.
Okay.
Okay. Just give enter. It will go to purchasing. Then in the purchasing, you have to mention the purchasing group. As of now, take random purchase group. Lecture file take. Select here. Then enter. Storage location data they have mentioned. If you wanted to maintain the storage location, already we have maintained the storage location, right? While after selection the view under the plant, we have maintained already storage location. You can see it here, right? We have mentioned HHCB plant and we have maintained HSL1 storage location. You can see this, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah. Then give enter. Accounting 1 will come. Randomly you take valuation class. This valuation class and all you will be learning in automatic account determination chapter. Okay. And then price control, just given V, just put anything 10 or 20 like that. Just give enter. Just say this. Okay. I'll show you now the tables. Just copy this. So, can anyone tell me how to see the tables? Do the T code also that way. Manish?
AC69.
Yes. SE16N. Just click on this. What is MARA table defines?
Material master general data.
Okay.
Material master general data.
MARA. Just right click MARA. Just give enter. You can see the material, right, in a blue mark.
Yes.
What you
Yes.
can do is just give your material number. Okay. This material we have created just now. You can see here, right? Just give that material number and you have to execute it here. See here, execute button. You can see, right?
Yes.
Just execute that one. You'll get complete details. For example, the material number created just now we have created. Then created by, you will in the real time you will be getting the user ID. Okay. By which user the material has created. So you'll be getting the user ID. And then if we have done yesterday in topic we have done the changes, right? We have created one material and we have done the changes for that. If you have done any changes, you can see here last changes. Okay. And then under which material type we have done the material and which material group under unit, all the details you can see. This is the general data you can see by using MARA table. Okay, understood this,
Yes.
Sneha?
Yes.
Okay. So MARC table, what it defines?
Material master plan data.
Okay, just change MARC here. Here what you have to do is just give the material number under which plant we have created this material. HCV, right? Mention
Yes.
one. Whatever the blue mark is, the material and then plant. Just mention this and execute. See, you will be getting only the plant. Under which plant you have created the material. Okay, you will be getting the plant data for material. In the upside, you can see, right, MARC, plant data for material. Whatever the details required at the plant level, you can see only the plant level data. Before we have checked the MARA table, that is the general data for material. Now we have checked for the MARC table, that is plant data for material. Okay. And then I'll show you one more table, MARD. What it prefers?
Storage location data.
Storage location.
Just give enter. Just give material number. Try to execute. See, you can see the storage location, right?
Yes.
Yeah, before you can see only the plant level data. Now by using MARD, you can see all the data like under which plant, under which storage location the material got created. You will be getting all these details. Okay. Understood?
Yeah.
Yeah, and this is how you have to, once you created the material or vendor master anything, you guys have written the tables, right, in the beginning. Like I have given a few details like the under material master few tables and the vendor master few tables like I have given in the beginning only. So what I did now is once we created with the material, just I have shown you like how to check the tables, okay, by using the material number, so that you can see all the details required for the material and the plant and the storage location, whatever the data we have maintained while creating the material. You can check that by using the tables. Now you understood how to check the tables.
Yes.
Yes.
Matsa,
Yeah.
can we see all together like plant level data, storage location data, master level data, like that, general data, or we have to go each, means instead of going by MARA, MARC, MARD, is there any other table to see all together?
Yes, we can see. You just check that particular code. If you're not going to check that, I'll tell you tomorrow.
Okay.
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 This is completely particular, like the accounting. If you wanted to see the plant level data, if you wanted to see, you can check it by using these different types of the tables. If you wanted to see all the details at a time, just check with the internet. If you're not getting the answer, I will tell you tomorrow.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
This topic, so we are done with the first topic. Okay, tables we have done now. So
Manasa,
yeah,
which kind of uh, we have to add in the accounting one?
sorry.
Like, which kind of data we have to add for in this accounting one, like this valuation class, and what is the extra? Yeah, here.
Wait.
Yeah, inside this accounting.
Just I have selected the accounting also, right?
Yeah.
1 second.
Is asking about views, details.
This views you're asking, Manish, or what?
In accounting view,
Yeah.
what are the details we have to mention?
Okay. Just 1 second, I'll show you. Yes, accounting one view. See,
No.
you can see here, right? Valuation class.
Yes.
Yeah. For the raw material, I have selected in the material type, I have selected ROH raw material. Okay. Now that
Hmm.
time you have to select this valuation class. Any valuation class you can take it here, but as of now you take randomly 3000. Okay. That's what I told you. This valuation class you will be learning in the automatic account determination session. Okay.
Okay.
You have to maintain valuation class, first thing. The second thing is you have to maintain the price control, like whether it is the standard price or the moving average price we are going to procure the material. For the raw materials we will be using the moving average price. Okay. And then you have to mention the price. Now it's not only 10 rupees, you can mention either 100, 20, 30, anything you can maintain. Okay. These three things are mandatory. Or else if you're going to maintain the standard price, you have to mention the standard price amount here. You can see the screen, right?
Yes.
Yeah. But as of now, only this two is required. Valuation class you have to maintain. The second is price control. Based on the price control, you have to mention the price here. These three things are mandatory in the accounting one view.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Anything else till here?
No.
Now the second topic, what we'll do means, see, you guys have learned how to create the material, right? For the one particular plant and a one particular plant for one particular storage location, you have learned how to create the material. Now what we will do is, for particular that material, we'll extend the plant. Okay, for the plant and the storage location, we'll extend that particular material to the other plants and the storage location. This requirement where we will use means, suppose you can take the example. Okay. For same material we required for two different plants. One is for the Bangalore plant, and another one is the Mumbai plant. Okay, for both of these plant we require the same material. So instead of you are going to maintain all the required data in the other plant, you can copy from the existing one and you can maintain the do the second plant. Okay, just I'll show you. Just now we have created one material, right? 600100238. You just take this material MM01. You can see this, right? What you
Yes.
have to do is just paste that material number. Say for the same material, just we are going to extend for the different plants. Okay. And in the below, just mention from which material we are going to copy. These two things you have to mention it here. Just give enter. What all the views, if you want, you can maintain it here. As of now, it's the sufficient. See, 1 second, I'll select storage location on. Yeah, you can see this screen, right?
Yes.
What you have to do is copy from which plant we have created the material. Yeah, this material we have created, right? Under which
Yes.
plant we have created?
HHCB.
HCB.
Yes, you have to mention that one. HCB. Okay. Here, this is copy from, you have to mention HHCB. Here in the organization level, for which other plant you are going to extend the material.
HHCC.
Yes, other plant name you have to mention it here. Okay. And then storage location. Mention cell one only. Just mention the storage location also. From which plant you are going to procure the, from which plant you are going to extend the material, you have to mention that HHCB. And for which other plant you are going to extend that material, HHCC. From HHCB to HHCC, you are going to extend the material. Okay. This you understood?
Yes.
Just give continue. See, you can see in the below side, right? The material already exists and will be extended. Okay, all the details where we have filled in the beginning, right? For the HHCB plan, all the data will be available here already. Just what we have to do is, for another plant we are extending this material. That's all. So what you have to do is just enter. No need to change anything here. All the details is already available in particular plant. Just we are extending to other plant. That's all. No need to change anything. Just enter. See, just enter. Just you have to say the things. Just give yes. See, material 6001023 created. Okay, same number. Now we will check. How to check the plant data? Sneha,
MARC.
Mark.
MARC.
Let's see. We have to mention the material number here. Okay. Once you're done with, just give execute here. You can see it here, right? For the same material, we have maintained for we have extended for another plant. HHCB before we have created. For HHCC, we have extended the particular material. You can see the material number also. The material number is same, but what we have done is just we have extended particular to the other plant. That's all. Manish, understood?
Yes, Mansa.
Anyone? If you have any doubt, I'll repeat it again.
Yes, ma'am. Consider
Yeah, once repeated.
See, the reason why we will have to extend the material here is, see, for one plant we are going to procure the material. Okay, for the same material we require for other plant also. What we need to do that time? We need to mention all the details, right? Instead of that, we can copy from the existing one, right? For that reason, we are using this procedure. Whatever we have created under one plant, just we need to extend that to the other plant. When it comes to the same material, if you are going to procure to the other plant. Okay, like in the Bangalore plant we are going to procure the bicycle. The same material we are going to procure for the Mumbai plant also. In that scenario, what you have to do is all the data it's already available in the system. Just you have to extend that particular material to the Mumbai plant. For that reason you are using this step. Okay, MM01. Just mention that particular material number, your material, and then copy from which material. Just give enter. See here. Here you have to do the changes from which already I created the. Just I'll show you. Okay, I won't save actually. For that reason, we have to create one more material. Just I'll show you how to do these things. HHCB from which particular plant is going to copy the material. Just you have to mention that particular plant. HHCC, I can't mention it here. The reason is already that material we are already copied to the HHCC. Instead of that, I'll take PP10. Okay. Manish, you understood?
Yes.
Whenever you're not going to maintain the storage location under this plant, no, that time you will be getting like this. Entry TP10 HSL1 does not exist under this one. Randomly, I'll take any. Yeah. This 0005, maybe it's maintained under this plant. Yes, it's maintained. Just yeah, see this. No need to change anything here, Sneha. Just what you have to do is just give enter, enter, enter. Automatically, it will copy all the details. Okay. Enter, enter, enter. Just what you have to do is you have to do the saving. That's all.
Okay.
Okay. You have to mention the material number from which material you are going to copy. This step you can write it down. Copy from which plant you are going to copy, and for which new plant you are going to extend that particular material. This too is important. Write it down. From which plant? Suppose you take for Bangalore plant, we have created a bicycle material. Okay, for the same material we are going to extend for the Mumbai plant. So you have to mention Bangalore plant name here, and you have to mention the Mumbai plant name here. That's all. In the remaining, all the things is same. Done. Once you're done, just let me know. Below this side, copy from existing plant. Just write it down here. Copy from existing plant. In this side, the plant level, extend to the new plant. You can write down like that. So it will be useful. Done.
Yes.
Sneha,
Yeah, it's done.
what about others?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yeah. Just,
in right side, copy from is there.
yeah.
Under that, storage location you have to mention.
No. Only the plant name you have to mention.
Only plant name.
Yeah. Copy from existing plant you can write down. From which plant you are going to copy the data. You have to mention that plant name here. Here, for which new plant you are going to extend that particular material. You have to mention that particular plant name. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now what we have learned extend the material to the plant, right? The second one is we'll extend the particular material to the storage locations. Okay. For that, write down the T code MMSC. Extend the material to the storage location. MMSC. Extend the material to storage location. T code is MMSC. Okay. Done?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
MMSC. Just enter. We have created one material, right? 600110238. Take that material only. Just mention that particular material number here and then plant HHCB. Under which plant we are going to maintain the storage locations. Okay. It automatically will get list all existing storage locations. Okay. Just give enter. You will be getting the screen. Okay. See, under HSCB, we have maintained only one storage locations. Okay, you can see it here. See, under HSCB, we have maintained only HSL1 storage location. In like suppose in what will happen under one plant, we have 2-3 storage locations. Okay, that time what you have to do is you have to mention all the storage location here. HSL1, HSL2, HSL3, whatever the storage location we have defined under one plant. If you wanted to extend that particular material to all the storage location, you have to mention all the storage location details here. Okay. Just I'll take randomly SL2. I'll take. Okay. Only we have maintained two storage location in the beginning. That's why in the options we are getting only these two storage location HSL1, HSL2. Okay. Understood? Or else you want me to repeat? Manish, Srinivas?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Done.
Yes.
Okay. MMSC. You know this T code, right? To extend the material to the storage location, we are using this T code. Understood? Just
Yes.
mention the material number. We have created one material, right? Just take that material. For the same material, we are going to extend to the different storage locations. Okay. Just mention that particular material number and at which plant we are going to extend the storage location. You have to mention the plant name also. Write it down if you're getting confused. In the just write down material. Under the material, write down. You have to mention the material number and then plant. Under which plant you are going to maintain all the storage locations. You have to write down these 2 points, and then the third one is it will get tick list all existing storage locations. Okay. Done.
Yes.
Just give enter. Here you have to maintain the storage location details, which and all storage location you are going to extend the material. Suppose if I have 4 storage location, I want this material to be extended to all the storage location. That time you have to mention all the storage location details here. Okay. As of now, only HSL2 is available. That is for finishment. Just I'll try this one. Just give enter. See how many storage location we have maintained. We can add up here. The same material we are going to procure for different storage locations. Done.
Yes, done.
This bin and all will be warehouse management topic. You know, you don't need to worry. Just concentrate only this. Okay, storage location details. Just give save. You can see right function carried out. It means it gets saved. We wanted to check right. /HCN. For storage location, which table we are going to use? Neha?
MMSC.
No. Table name I'm asking. MMSC is the T code to extend the material.
MARD.
Location. Yes.
MARD.
Okay. MARD. Sorry. Yeah.
What you have to do, just you have to mention the material number. See here. HSL1, HSL2, you can see right the same material we have for the different storage locations. You can see this right. Just now we have extended that to the other storage location, that is HSL2 under same plant. You guys can see here, right?
Yes.
That's all. Any doubt?
No.
So we have done with the second topic. 1 second. I think one more person have joined. Sukanya. Hi, Sukanya.
Yes. Hello.
Yeah, sorry, I didn't see you. Like, this is your first class, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. See, we already covered a few topics, okay? Maybe it will be difficult for you to understand, but no need to worry. We have the recorded video, okay? Already 8-10 classes are already done. This is the material master session we are started today. So whatever the recorded videos are available, you can watch that. Then you will be getting the connectivity for today's topic, okay? No need to worry if you're not getting anything about today's topic. No need to worry, you can watch the recorded sessions.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. See, we have covered the tables and extend the material to the plant and extend the material to the storage location. Okay. Then we'll learn how to flag the material. Does anyone have the idea why we are using this flag the material?
About to check the
There is
conditions.
any problem with the material not to purchase or any?
Yes. That is correct actually. Like if you don't need to procure the material material under material level or the plant level storage location, that time what we have to do is we can flag the particular material. So,
Hmm.
okay. For this, you have two options. One, you can use the T code. other, you can use the path. Already you know the T code, right? You have
Yes.
written. I'll follow the path now. Okay. Path in the sense, sorry, What is the T code to flag the material?
MM06.
06.
You will be getting directly, but what you can do is by using MM01 also you can flag the material. Instead of that, I'll use MM06. Which material we are going to flag? What we'll use the same material, okay? Under which plant? Under here you have to observe one thing. This material flag for the deletion for the material, we can we can flag for the material level, and you can flag for the plant level, and you can flag for the storage location. In 3 levels also you can flag, okay? The reason is, if you are going to flag the material under material level, I'll show you the, wait, just I'll give you enter. You can see the screen, right? Material, plant, and storage location. If you want it, see what will happen, you don't need to procure that particular material at material level, okay? That time you have to tick on this one, or else you don't need to procure that particular material under only this plant. Whenever you are going to procure the material under this plant, you don't need to procure the material. That time you have to create at the plant level, or else under storage location also you can flag the material. Like under this HSL1 storage location, I don't want to procure the material. That time you have to tick this one. It's complete. In the 3 levels we can flag for deletion the material, okay? 3 levels are there: material level, plant level, and storage location. Based on the business requirement, where under which storage location or under which plant you need to flag the material, you can use that particular tick marks. That time just write down under 3 levels we can flag the material, okay? One is material level, second is plant level, and 3 is storage location level. If you're going to flag the material under plant level, what will happen in the future? If you wanted to procure that particular material under this plant, it won't get take that particular material. It will show as an, I'll show you that data also, how it will come. If you are done the material, just write it down. Yeah.
After this deletion of flag, we can't able to purchase the
No.
materials in this particular location, right?
Yeah, you can't able to procure that material.
Okay, it will be closed.
Yeah, in the system it will show the flag symbol.
Okay.
Okay, I'll show you that one. Just write it down. In the 3 levels, we can flag the material. One is material level, second one is plant level, third is storage location level. Once you're done, just let me know.
Yes.
Done?
Yes, done.
Yes.
Just save
Yes,
it.
ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Deletion flags changed. Okay. Now you have to check, right? SC16 10. See, you can see this symbol, right? Into.
Yes.
Yeah, if you
Yes.
send the flag for deletion, you will be getting this symbol into. You can't procure this particular material. Okay. we have given the flag for deletion at the material level, plant level, and the storage location. The 3 levels also we have given the tick mark, right? For that the reason is showing like this material we are not going to procure at any levels. It is for the deletion we already maintained. So it's like an indicator. Whenever the purchasing team is going to procure that particular material, they will this message will get pop up. That time they will get to know, okay, this material they have maintained for the flag for deletion. So we don't need to procure this particular material like that. Okay. Any doubt?
No, nice.
No. These 3 things we have learned on the tables, and we have extended the material to the plant level and the storage level. And then third, we have learned how to flag the material, okay, under 3 different material, plant, and storage location level. So now what we will do means we'll go for the configuration part. Okay. Yesterday, while creating the material master, you can observe different types of the industry sector, material types, and all things are available. This is the main configuration part we are going to learn. Okay. Just write it down. What and all configuration we are going to learn. So the remaining topics we'll do it tomorrow. I'll just show you how to do the industry sector, and if time permits, we'll do the material type also. This is all the configuration we are going to material type. Number range. Internal and external. And then greenfield. Setting. And then material. This configuration we are doing. So I'll ask one question. So where are we doing this configuration part? You have learned about SAP landscape in the beginning, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
We are doing all these configuration things.
Implementation.
Development.
Yes, in the development server. Okay. What we have to do is we have to configure all these things in the, like, it's based on the company's requirement, like the sandbox and unit testing on how many clients they have. In the development server, what we have to do is first we have to do the configuration part, and then you have learned one more thing, unit testing, right? What and all configuration you have done, you have to check in the unit testing whether it's working properly or not. Okay.
Mhm.
So
Yes.
what we'll do industry sector now. So we'll do one in. Let's show you. See, this industry sector. Already so many industry sectors are available. Okay. What will happen? Few times client will ask, say, like, I want the different industry, and they will give you the data also. I want particular this industry. Okay. For example, textile industry, if it's not there, they want it for the textile industries. Okay. So that time you need to configure in the system, where you have in the development server, you have to configure the industry sector. Okay. That I'll show you now. We have to use the path. Write down SPRO. First SPRO,
Mhm.
then SAP reference IMG. Here you can see this, right? Logistic General.
Mm.
Logistic General. Then Material Master. Once you click with the Material Master, you can see the field selection, right? See?
Yes.
Click on that. You will be getting these things. In the third one, define industry sectors and industry sector specific field selections. You can see this, right?
Define industry sector. Industry
Yeah, write down, write the path. There will be a T code also. I'll give the homework. Anyone knows how to define the industry sector by using T code, direct T code?
No, no answer.
Yeah, that is the homework. You can find out.
Okay.
If you're not, I'll tell you tomorrow.
Sure.
This is the path. Done?
After
Define,
the selection, define industry sector.
yeah, define industry sector and industry sector specific field selection. You have to click this one.
Okay.
Click this one. You'll be getting this one. Okay. Here, what you have to see is already the industry sectors are defined. Okay. You know, you don't need to define the industry sector, but whenever we'll get the client requirement, that time if the particular that industry is not available in the standard one, that time you need to create the industry sector. Okay. And here these three things you have note down. Okay. Industry sector, you have to use only one character here. Okay. The character in the sense you can use either the number, either the alphabet, any things where let's see all the things they have used A B C D E F G H till Z they have used. On the symbols also they have used. Which and all symbols they have not used now, you have to take that one. Okay. Go to the new entries. Just take, I think
Alpha.
I think it's not there if I'm not wrong. So what we'll do is we'll create one give a description. I'll take textile industry. Okay, maybe it is not available. I'll create a textile industry as an industry description, and field reference you will be learning in the screen field setting. Okay, no need to worry anything. Just now mention 0001 year. I'll explain you this field reference while I'll teach in the screen field setting. Okay. Just only write down this to one industry sector, whichever the character is not available in the standard one, you have to use that particular character in the industry sector. That is only one character. In the description, you have to mention which industry you are going to define. For example, I have taken textile industry. Okay. Once you are done with this, see, an entry already exists with the same key. You can't take this now. Change it. I think plus I'll take. I'll check now. Maybe it's available. No, it's not available. Plus symbol. You guys can see the difference, right? Whichever the sign is already available, we can't use the same symbol. We have to use some other character. So I have taken +1. And you have to mention the industry description. Okay. Field reference, you will be learning in tomorrow class, screen field settings. Once you're done with, just save it. Again, you will be getting the CR number. Just give OK. Data was saved. Okay. Textile industry. What we have to do is we have done the configuration. Suppose you take the example like in the development server in the sandbox, we have done this configuration. Okay. Now what we have to do is we have to check, right? We have to test whether we have configured properly or not. Where we are doing that one? We are doing that in the unit testing, right?
Yes.
Yeah. What you will do? Go for MM01. Okay. Check here, industry sector. Which one I have created?
Textile.
See here. You can see this, right?
Yes.
Yes. If you are done configuration properly in the industry sector, that particular industry description you will be getting. This is how you have to test. In the real time, you will be having the different server. There you have to test and all things. But as of now, for the practice purpose, with the same server only, I'm showing you all the things. Configuration also with the same client and the testing also with the same client. But in real time, what will happen? For the configuration part, they will use some server, and for testing part, they will use some server. Okay. As of now, just learn with the same server how to configure the things and how to test the things. Okay. Textile industry we have created. You can see this industry sector here. Understood? Or else you want me to repeat?
No, understood.
Neha,
Understood.
Yes.
so industry sector path you have written, right? SPRO, logistic general, material master, and field selection, and then define industry sector. I'll show you 1 second. SPRO, SAP Reference IMG, then Logistic General, then Material Master, then Field Selection, then Define Industry Sector. Here, just check whichever the character is available. All the characters they have used. In real time, what will happen? No, all the if it's not available industry sector, you have to configure the industry sector. Else, no need to configure. Okay, just for your learning purpose, I've shown you how to configure the industry sector. And one more thing, whenever you are practicing in the server, don't delete anything here. Okay, just check whether any character is not available. Use that particular character. Go for new entries. Create any particular character which is not available. Just give industry description. Field reference, just mention it as 0001. This you will be learning in class. Once you're done with, just save.
Mansa, why we are giving like industry sector like plus symbol, numeric and numbers there?
This industry sector.
Yeah.
See, this is the one character. It is the standard one. Okay. Whatever it's already in real time, what will happen? Industry sector, it's already configured. If the configuration part is not done, suppose what will happen? Client requirement is suppose, okay, chemical industry sector, they have not configured in the system. They want that requirement. That time we have to use this one. And coming to the character, one character we need to mention it in the industry sector. Okay. The reason is not there, like why we need to mention the particular character and all. This is just the standard thing which we wanted to maintain while creating the industry sector. There is no particular reason like why we wanted to use particular character and all. Just whatever the numeric we can use, alphabetic we can use, any symbol we can use while creating the industry sector. Okay, that is only one character you have to use. See, I'll take 2 characters. It's taking, like I'm mentioning 12. It's not taking. Only one character is allowed. It is an SAP standard. Okay. You have to use only the one character. And you have to give the description.
The maximum we can add 50. Now more than 50 we cannot add the industry sector.
No, only one character. See, 1, 2.
No, like totally industry description we can add maximum 50 then. Like 26 character for the alphabet, 10 over like character for these numbers, and then the extra one. Maximum we can edit, no? This industry description 50, 60.
Yeah, industry description, you can mention you have to mention the description, okay, like which industry you are going to configure. But when it comes to the industry sector, you can use any number. But the thing is, here already they have used all the numbers. That's the reason I'm not going to take any numbers here. See it. You can see this here, right? From 1, they have used all the numbers. Only one character you have to take. You can't take 2 characters like 25, 35, 45. You can't take 2 characters like that. You have to take only the one character. But all the numbers they've already used. 1 to 9, see, you can see this. And when it comes to the symbols also, they have used. And when it comes to the alphabetic also, from A, they have used till Z also.
So if everything we'll use, then we can not use anymore.
We need to find out which character is not used. See, I have taken the example for the plus. Plus is not used. This we have created just now, right? Textile industry. This symbol, none of them you have used. That's why I have taken this symbol. But see, in real time, what will happen? This is the practice server, right? That's why they have used all the character here. That's why we are not able to use any of this. But in real time, it won't get happen. Like there will be only 8 to 9 specific industries will be available, and they will be mentioning the industry sectors and numeric also. They will only give the data like what they wanted. Yesterday I have shown you one BPD document, right? There only they will mention like what we need to configure. Just we have to follow that and just we have to configure here. This is the practice server. That's the reason all the numeric and all the everything is already they have used. That's all. Understood now?
Yes.
Industry sector we have learned. So yeah, industry sector we have learned. So yeah, we'll learn material character length. Does anyone have the idea like what is the material character length in the ECC? Actually, there is one difference for S4 HANA and ECC. Okay, there is a change in the material character length. So, what is the character length in ECC?
Means the word of the length.
Yeah,
For material.
Number of character which material item number has.
maximum length for particular material. For example, you have seen the while creating the material, you guys can see the number ranges, right? Yesterday I shown you, like it will start from 4 or 5, anything.
Yes,
Yes.
yeah,
Yeah, length I'm asking.
yeah. That is
Maximum
17, 18,
yeah,
18, I think I have seen.
18 character is there. Okay. In ECC, maximum length for the material, we can use it for 18. But there is a change in S4 HANA. Okay. In S4 HANA, till 40, we can take the length. Okay. But in ECC, only maximum character length is 18. But in S4 HANA, it is 40. This is the interview question. They may ask what is the maximum length in the ECC. Material characteristic length. What is the maximum length in ECC? You have to tell 18. This is the main difference between the ECC and the S4 HANA. They may ask in the S4 HANA what is the maximum length. You have to answer 40. This is the main difference between the ECC and the S4 HANA when it's coming to the particular character length. Okay.
Yes.
So what will happen now? The client requirement is what they want is like line length should be in 10 character. Okay. They wanted only for the 10 character. For that time, we need to configure the things. Right. I'll write down. Client require. Client requirement is length should be in 10 character. They don't want 18 character. They wanted only for 10 character. That time, what you have to do is you have to do the configuration, right?
Yes.
Yes, this I'll show you now. Write down the path. SPRO, AP reference IMG, then logistic general, then material master, then basic settings. Here you can see, right, define output format of material numbers.
Yes, master.
Click on that. Have you write down the or should I repeat?
Just one step of it.
Repeat, ma'am.
Yeah, repeat. After logistics general.
Wait. SPRO, SAP reference IMG, logistic general, then
Material master,
master, year,
basic setting.
things. Here, define output format of material number. Once you're done, just let me know. I'll show.
Of material numbers.
Done.
Done. Double click. You can see the screen, right?
Yes.
Material, I told you like the maximum length is 18 in ECC. Just for your reference part, I'll show you 10. I wanted for the 10, 20. I'll just check. See, in the below side, you can see, right? The length of the material number must not exceed 18 characters.
Yes.
Okay. So you have to mention 10 if the client requirement is 10. But I will not change anything in a standard server. Just for your understanding purpose, I'm showing how to configure the material length. Okay. Don't do anything in the system. Just check this on this one. That's all. But in the real time, you have to configure the thing. Okay. Based on the client requirement, if the client is required for the material length should be in the 10 or 15 or the 5 or the 7, you have to configure it by using this path. Okay. As of now, don't change anything here. And you can see this, right? Leading zeros.
Yes.
See what will happen. For example, material number. Suppose I'll take a 5, 6, 8, 9, 00. Yeah, I'll take this number. Okay, this is the particular material number. My material number. What will happen if I click this leading zeros now? Here, in before the number, if you are maintaining 18 character, all the zeros will come here. Okay. Just for
Yes.
understanding purpose, I'm telling you all these details, but don't check anything here. Okay. Don't change anything. Just for the configuration part, I have shown you how to do the configuration. Whenever you are practicing also, now don't tick anything here and don't change it also, 18 number. Just follow the path, just see the screen and just save it for the 18 character.
Ma'am, that lexicographical means
Sorry.
lexicographical.
Lexicographical.
That there are two options.
Yeah, lexicographical we are not going to use. Okay, this is not important actually. Only for the material number length we are using only this one. If you wanted zeros, we are going to tick this one. Lexicographical, there is some graphical changes while doing this one. This is not required actually. Even leading zeros also is not required. Just
I'm
for
just asking what is the function of
sorry.
what is the function of that lexicography? I'm just asking.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling. Lexicographical, it's nothing but there is some few changes while creating the maximum length. Okay, there is graphical changes is there. That's the reason we have to tick this one. But don't check this box. Just write down this one, this screen.
Yes.
But while you are practicing also, don't change anything here. Okay, don't tick anything and don't change this 10 character also. Only the configuration part I have shown you. Don't change anything. Done.
Yes.
Okay, so you have the idea like leading zeros I have shown you here. Like how many characters we are maintaining before the numbers, you will be getting the zeros. And this lexicographical also, it's like the graphical changes. For example, like there is an 1, 2, 3 numbers we are maintaining by using comma and all. We wanted that to be changes in the order of the 1, 2, 3. So don't get so too much confusion. That's the reason I'm not telling this information and all. Don't do anything here. Just see how to configure this one. That's all. And don't take anything. It's just the number graphical changes from left to right, like that. If you wanted to change anything. Then I'm not changing anything, just I'm giving you the save. See, data was saved. Done.
Yes.
This is how we'll do the material character length configuration part. Any doubt?
No.
So the third topic is,
Material type.
you see, this is the difference also. You have to, in the interview, they may ask maximum length. Maximum length is 18 in a ECC, okay? When it comes to S4HANA, the maximum length is 40. This is the main difference between ECC and the S4HANA. Done?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
We have to configure the material type, but it will get more time.
Yes.
I think we can configure material type now. We can start tomorrow. Like material type, the number ranges under the material type, and the screen fill setting and material group. These 4 things we'll learn tomorrow. And if it's time permits, I'll give you the interview questions also tomorrow only, based on material master chapter. Okay. Once we are done with material master, we are moving to the vendor master. So whatever the doubts you have in the material master, just practice today. Tomorrow we are going to configure the remaining things.
So
Okay.
Okay.
Any doubt till now? And the homework is I have given you like the T codes. While creating the industry sector and while creating the material character line, there is one T code is there where you can create directly. Find out the T code.
Okay.
Okay. And the material type also there is a T code. Just find out the T code also. Tomorrow I will be following the path, but T code you have to search. This is
Okay.
the and today you create the yesterday also you have created the material, right? Today also create 2-3 materials and extend that particular material to the plants and then to the storage location and see the changes in the MARA, MARC, MARD tables, what all the changes is there. And any materials you can leave it for the flag for the deletion under the material level, plant level, and then storage location. Once you're done with these things, just create one industry sector which is not available in the standard one, and just don't change anything here. Just follow the path and just see that screen ECC 18. Don't change anything here. Okay. I've shown you the boxes also, right? Leading 0 and all. Don't tick anything. Just see that configuration part. But in real time, you have to configure based on client requirement. If the client is, if the client requirement is length should be in the 10 character, you have to change that time. Instead of 18, you have to mention 10 and save it. Okay.
Yes.